We all know that Seshadripuram Group of Institution is a big brand in the field of education. Established in 1930, Seshadripuram Educational Trust is serving the cause of education at all levels from nursery to PhD. It runs 33 educational institutions with total student strength of more than 22,000. We are also a proud member of Seshadripuram family.
ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಮತ್ತು ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳು ಆಜೀವ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅವರ ಸಲಹೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಉನ್ನತ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಲು ನಾನು ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Seshadripuram Educational Trust believes in the philosophy of nation building through education. Our vision is to spread inclusive and quality education at affordable price.
The Seshadripuram High School was established in the year 1939 to cater to the needs of the high school students of Seshadripuram and surrounding areas. The institution, which is located in the heart of the city, is known for its value-based teaching and catering to students belonging to each and every class of the society. The institution imparts both English and Kannada medium of instruction. Along with regular syllabus, students are taught moral values. Apart from classroom teaching, students are encouraged to take part in discussions, planning and practical learning, which is the core essence behind the success of this educational institution.
Seshadripuram High School is one of the oldest and prestigious high schools in Bangalore. The aim of our school is to provide value-based education. We are striving hard for all-round development of the students. We are proud to say that our high school has completed 80 years of successful educational service.
The Seshadripuram High School is functioning from a 4-floor spacious building with very good infrastructure. Highly qualified, experienced and professional teachers are an asset of this high school. Apart from strengthening the students morally and mentally, the teaching faculty of the Seshadripuram High School has set an example. The school also boasts of having fully equipped science laboratory to make practical learning more attractive. The school possesses a fully equipped computer laboratory. The computer syllabus is developed based on the practical needs and future challenges of the students. The library caters to the knowledge needs of the students. Magazines, newspapers, relevant subject books and other knowledge material are subscribed regularly. The school also boasts of having a fully equipped audiovisual room for the benefit of students.
Our school publishes an annual magazine, Siri Sinchana, through which our talents are exhibited. There is an annual parliament election conducted by which student council members are elected. The school is completely under the surveillance of CCTV cameras which improve our security.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಬಹಳ ಅನುಕೂಲಕರವಾಗಿದೆ.
The state government sponsored midday meal scheme has been implemented effectively in the school. Facilities are provided for both indoor and outdoor sports. Students of Seshadripuram High School have won many prizes in several sports events and have brought laurels to the school. Yoga training is imparted to the students to improve their physical and mental efficiency. Guest lectures and seminars are organized frequently by inviting resource persons. Music classes are held for interested students. Students are encouraged to take part in Bharat Seva Dal activities. The Bharat Seva Dal of this school has the pride of celebrating Golden Jubilee. Seshadripuram High School is committed to promoting the holistic development of students by providing opportunities to grow both within and outside the classroom. With this goal in view, Seshadripuram High School is giving high importance to various extracurricular and co-curricular activities. Many students who have pursued their education at Seshadripuram High School are holding prominent positions in the society.
10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಟಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿ, ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
There were not only lectures that were held in class, but also many practical demos also were given. Wherever I go, I get recognized from this school. That makes me proud.
Shaping the students with moral values and enabling them to inculcate a positive attitude is one among the major objectives of Seshadripuram High School. Along with educational development, the school helps in instilling human values among the students, and this has been the major asset of the institution.